In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money-making website that's going to pay you out to actually get interest on your cryptocurrency. So this is going to be almost a brand new money-making website that you can use right now in today's video. So make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start getting some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the website right here, guys. It is something so similar to other money making websites, but this has something special inside of it, guys. So the cool thing about this is that it does have a faucet to earn for free, and there are different money making ways you can actually earn inside of this as well. So we have a survey site and offers, and we also have like faucets, pay to click ads, play the multiplayer, play games, and refer users, redeem promo codes. So there's different money making websites or strategies that you can use inside of this one account, and I'm going to show you something throughout this video that you might find interesting that I am doing right now as we speak that's going to help me out earn even more crypto on this site, guys. Now look at this and think about this website. If it's something that seems interesting to you, make sure to click the link down below. Make sure to get started right away and stay consistent, because what I'm about to show you is something really interesting on this website. So if you want to get started for free and just roll the faucet, just click on roll the faucet, and you're going to be able to do this every, I think, either hour or 30 minutes. I'm not too sure at the moment, but I'm actually about to redeem in the next 9 minutes. And if we scroll down just a tiny bit, you can see my previous activity right here. And on top of that, guys, now look at this. On top of that, I'm also going to be getting a loyalty bonus for coming back every single day and actually using the same website over and over and over again. Now look at this information right here. I'm already up to 35% more crypto that I get from the faucets every single time I claim this faucet, every hour or I think 30 minutes, guys. So this is really interesting, and you can grow this all the way up to 100, I believe, all the way up to 100% more cryptocurrency inside of your accounts just for staying loyal and coming back every single day to this website and doing the faucets yourself. Now if we come down here, you can see my bonus right here. Currently I'm at 35%. Yesterday I was at 34%, and you can see all of this information right here, guys. So I'm just earning more and more crypto as time goes on, and as long as I stay consistent on this website. And that is not the interesting part about this, guys. Now here it is right here, guys. We also have multipliers. So every time you roll, you're gonna get a number, and if that number hits 99,999, you're gonna win a jackpot of 230,000 tokens, which is an insane amount of money. And people do this almost every other day or every day, guys. Somebody's getting so close to that jackpot and winning all of that money. So now let's go on to the other ways to earn it. Before I show you a really insane strategy or a really crazy way you can actually earn passively on this website itself. Now you can come over here to PTC ads. So these are paid to click ads. So all you have to do is click on the view button. Once you click on view, it's going to send you over to a different website where you have to stay on there anywhere between 5 seconds to around 30 seconds, possibly even 1 minute, and then just let it sit there until the timer runs out. Once the timer has run out, you're going to get either a captcha or you're just going to get sent back to this website and redo the process to earn even more tokens quicker. So that's something else you guys can do right there. You can either do the multiplier as well, which I would recommend you guys not doing that. If you follow my strategy, you will earn some cryptocurrency from this website. And mostly all of you guys will not want to do any of these offer walls, complete surveys, install mobile apps. Which I will do is actually watch videos on Hideout. So right here, go to watch videos and then connect your Hideout account to watch videos and actually get the points from Hideout onto the CoinApply website and start to earn some passive income that way as well. So as you can see right here in the top right hand corner inside of my account, you can see that I have around 35,541 coins, which equals to around $3.55. So every token or every coin is around less than a penny, but you can see that the numbers and tokens or coins are the same amount of value, guys. So just keep that in mind. And now let's go over here to my account. Let's go to withdraw really quick, and I want to show you something really interesting. This pops up right now. It says earn interest on your coins. Earn interest on your coins, guys. How crazy is that? Will you pay 5% annual interest on any member who has at least 35,000 tokens or coins? It says make sure to turn interest on in your settings. So make sure you turn interest on inside of your settings, guys, so you can be earning 5% annually on your tokens that you have inside of this website. So that is how you're gonna make it passive. It's asking you if you want to deposit some crypto, only $3 inside of this account, which has already been around for quite some time, at least in a year or possibly even more than that, guys. And it says your funds are secure, which anything in crypto is not secure, guys. That is just something for you to feel more closure. So everything is risky inside crypto. It says you can withdraw at any time. So now what I am doing is I'm leaving this cryptocurrency that I've earned for free inside of here by doing the faucets and just earning the interest passively, guys. So this is my strategy on how I'm going to use this website to earn some passive income, to earn some interest, 5% annually, for doing absolutely nothing. And they also have a membership, or like a premium membership, guys. So it says right here, upgrade for 1 month, 17,000 tokens, and then you're gonna get no pop-up advertisements, no hover slide-in advertisements, boost your maximum coin supply, wager to 200,000 coins, which is not needed, skip up to 2 days without doing your loyalty bonus, which is like an alright type of thing. It says early access to new features, premium support, premium badge, and access to premium only chat rooms. Many more premium perks coming soon. So I'd recommend you guys staying away from upgrading at the moment. Just use this website to get some free cryptocurrency and take it out of these sites, and then start to invest in different other cryptocurrency websites and diversify that, guys. So if we go back to the dashboard, there is another thing that's pretty interesting about this is that you can come in here and start to earn crypto from just chatting. So if you click on this right here where it says start chatting, the chat's gonna come up and you're gonna see this current rain pool, which pools are pretty much where they give out free crypto to you guys, or free tokens, whatever you want to put inside of your brain. So you just come in here, you start to chat it up, and then you start to earn some free cryptocurrency for doing that as well. But you have to be active in order to keep getting that free crypto from just chatting, talking to other people, and just seeing how other people's days are, and just starting up a conversation with somebody. Because the more chats you have in there, the more chances you get to be a part of the pool and getting a bigger cut of the pie. So that's something really interesting, guys. And you can see hot offers. So these are popularity. So this is how much people has actually been in there and actually used these offer walls and started to earn some cryptocurrency from that, or tokens. So this is just going to give you more information, more ways to actually earn on this site. Come in there if you're interested in getting started. Again, stay away from the multipliers, stay away from all of that stuff that's just going to be risking your cryptocurrency or your tokens inside of this website, guys, because at the end of the day you will lose some of your crypto or most of your crypto from doing that if you just try to get rich off of that little piece of cryptocurrency that you get from this site. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.